Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install TOSHIBA Smart TV to a TV wall mount rack. And to install it, you need to remove the TV stand first. Okay, after remove the TV stand legs, now you need to put your TV upside down. And you will find the 4 screw location here. Okay, 4 screw location here. Okay, this time you need to install your TV rack to look like this. This one is the lock that you can lock this rotation, and you can adjust your TV angle. Okay, when you untie it, you can see the angle is can rotation. And when we lock it, you can see now it cannot rotate your TV. And you see this one is the hook that you need to hook it to the TV wall mount plate. So this plate you need to drill it to the wall. Okay, so the drilling work, I'm not gonna show it, but I think you will know where you can drill it to the wall. And after that, install this one completely to like this, and now input to your TV. Okay, on the package you can find the more screw that can attach to your TV, so you need to test it first before you connect it. So my first try is I connect the wrong screw. So now you can input the correct screw to it. Okay, test it with your own hand, and then now you can put it back again. You can have some ring on your screw. Okay, let's do it again. Put these two, and the lower one you need to go to this long connection that you can adjust it, and the top one you can put to any hole. Okay, just like this. Okay, after you install the mount to the TV, this time you need to adjust the location on your TV, the angle of your mount, and after that you need to finish drill this plate to the wall, and now connect your TV to one side of it, and then your TV will be located on this location. And after that you need to lock your TV with the plate by just screwing the 2 screws below the TV mount. Okay, until it's already everything locked to the TV, and now you can use the TV on the wall mount. Okay, and some action maybe depend on your actual location and actual plate and screw. So this is just for your basic information of how you can install the TV wall mount on your TOSHIBA smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.